Red Cedar Lake House by Lundin Architects exemplifies contemporary architecture that harmonizes with its natural surroundings. Situated lakeside, this residence prominently features red cedar wood as its primary material, creating warmth and establishing a connection with the surrounding forest. The highlight of Red Cedar Lake House is its design that embraces lake views through expansive glass walls, seamlessly blending interior and exterior spaces. Extended roof overhangs provide sun protection while creating semi-outdoor relaxation areas. The architects prioritized building orientation that maximizes natural light and ventilation. The interior layout features an open concept design where the central area combines living room, dining space, and kitchen into one flowing environment. Bedrooms are positioned for greater privacy yet maintain a connection to nature through large windows. The consistent use of cedar wood both outside and inside creates aesthetic continuity, while exposed steel and concrete elements in selected areas provide interesting contrast. This architectural work demonstrates a design philosophy that respects nature and attempts to minimize environmental impact while maintaining modernity and comfort in perfect balance.